Let me start from the first quote that author says, that is, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Napoleon Hill. After reading quite a few books on finances, I so agree with this particular quote that the author says. You know why? Because everything in life is connected with what you think and believe. Hey guys, this is me Janata, and in this video we are going to discuss some of the important lessons that you can learn from the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. If you're new to this channel and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for my future videos. And if you like this particular video, don't forget to hit a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Think and Grow Rich is a self-help book focused on how to utilize a combination of thoughts and action to become rich. In every chapter of this book, money-making secret has been shared, which has made fortunes for more than 500 exceedingly healthy people whom author Napoleon Hill has carefully analyzed over a long period of years. This book is divided into 15 chapters, such as the first one is desire, faith, then auto-suggestion, specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, decision, that is the mastery of procrastination, then persistence, power of the mastermind, the mystery of sex transmutation, the subconscious mind, the brain, the sixth sense, and the last on how to outwit the 6 ghosts of fear. With each chapter, author has given an exercise which you can apply in your personal life and see the changes. Now let me take you to some of the lessons that you can learn from the book Think and Grow Rich. Win or quit, pick a side. Napoleon Hill famously indicated that winners do not quit and quitters do not win. Isn't that true in real life perspective also? Whenever you know you are stuck in somewhere in a particular process and you feel that you do not want to go ahead, you should always remember that why you have started at the first place. Even if you fail, understand that failure is temporary. However, success is permanent. To this, best example I can give you is about Elon Musk. If you have read about his book or if you have read about his businesses, you know he has seen failures in his PayPal business, then at the start of Tesla, then at the start of SpaceX. He has suffered lot of losses, but he has always come up with a new plan. He has fixed his initial problem and he has kept going, and now you know where he has reached. So that is what, even if you fail in your particular process of success, then fix it, create a new plan and keep going. Our mind receives ideas from the universe. This is an interesting observation that I have tried personally and it really works, you know. The author says that universe feeds us with ideas constantly. However, we need to tune our mind to receive them, much like an antenna. You know, in olden days, we used to have radios where used to change the antenna and set the frequency and switch to different channels. That is how it works. You know, universe is constantly telling us and giving us idea. However, we need to be mindful so that we receive those ideas and we are able to apply them in our personal life. If you want, you can also read one more book on this specific topic, that is The Secrets by Rhonda Byrne. You will definitely love it. If you have a burning desire for something, you can achieve it. You know, many people begin to follow their personal dreams, and when it becomes tough, they give up halfway through. Many a times, they give up at the moment where they were simply so close to achieve their dream. Napoleon Hill says that for you to achieve your dream, you need to have a burning desire. You need to be in a position where you will do whatever it takes to achieve that particular dream. So that is what a burning desire is. Failure don't mean that you have failed. The road to one's dream is filled with various obstacles, through pains, through heartbreak, through losses and failures. Don't let the failure to overcome and so that it takes you down to give up on your dream. Fifth lesson, that is, have faith. Faith is a belief in something that you cannot see, but you can feel it. Many a times in the way towards your dream, you will encounter doubt and disbelief from your friends, from your family, from your closed ones. So, and this doubt begins to eat up your dreams. Don't let that happen. Don't lose faith on your dream. It is rightly said that believe in yourself, believe in your dream, and you will definitely accomplish it. Napoleon Hill's book Think and Grow Rich has influenced some of the most successful business people in the world today. These lessons can help you to make a simple idea turn into billions. These lessons are practical, straightforward, and easy to apply. So if you're looking for any book on finances or related to business, you should definitely pick this one, Think and Grow Rich, and you will not regret it. It is a must read for each one of you. I hope I was able to convey the messages from this particular book. Currently, I am reading another book on finance, that is Psychology of Money. If you want me to do another book review on this Psychology of Money, or if you have any suggestion for me related to any other book that you want me to review, then please do mention in the comment box. And please do hit a like, share, and please do subscribe to my channel Travelin' with Jay. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.